Hello and welcome to MG Chasing. Now today we're going to be swapping over a badge, show you how to do it. It's very simple, doesn't really matter what brand or what badge it is, it's the same principles. You do really need a warm day, if not you need a hairdryer. So we've gone from this to this for about 5 or 6% of the price that the dealer quoted us to do the work. So give your vehicle some new love, make it look pristine. Now as you can see, Tracy's beloved mini badge is the worst for wear, so we're going to swap that over today. So the first thing you need to do is get yourself some floss and then start sawing behind that badge. You might just have to flick this end up to get it off. Stage 2 is then to remove any glue that's left behind there. And then the new badges are not very expensive. I'll put the links below where you can get them. And they come with the glue on the back ready to replace it. So we're just going to saw that off with a floss. You may need a fair few bits, it does occasionally snap. And I'll show you what it's like underneath. Right, so we've sawn through that. And you might need to just pull at the edges to get the last bit off, but make sure you don't snap the badge, because there are 2 locating holes here. We now need to get the gunk off there, this is dirt, and also remove the last of this glue before we attempt to locate the new one. I'll just put a little bit of cleaning spray on there, and I'm using a normal brush here just to tease this off. This will take a bit of time, and you do need to make sure you're not going to end up using Sif or something which is going to actually scratch the paintwork around it. So just easy does it with this to make sure you can get all the glue off and not affect the paint underneath. So all I've used is a multi-purpose cleaning spray that I had in the kitchen, and in the middle bit I did need to use my nails, but I think they'll quick buff up there, not only polish but just make sure it's really clean, and we're ready to fix the new badge. So here's the new badge. I'll put the links below if you want to get your mini one, but you can find them, avoid the main dealers because you're going to pay a lot of money for that. So you should be able to find one for your brand of vehicle. And on the back here you can see you've got the new glue and some sponge. It doesn't have the original 2 prongs, but they're going to be covered over anyway, so it'll be watertight. Peel off the backing and then very slowly make sure you've got this lined up to have it in the right place on your vehicle and that it's level. Once you've pushed it firm on there, you can't get it off again to move it. So a little bit of care here. Once you've got it lined up and you're sure that's definitely it, then just hold that now for a few minutes for the glue to take. It's got to be warm, the car. I'm lucky I'm doing this in the sun today. If you're having trouble getting your badge and getting that glue off, then warm it with a hairdryer to make it a little bit more pliable and easy to get it off. If it's raining, of course, this is not something you should attempt. You need some nice weather to do it. I think we're there.